Top 20 tips to get more from your email sign-up forms. To get more sign-ups from your email forms, you'll need to optimize the form and make it more enticing for your website visitors. Here are some top tips to help you boost your sign-up rates. Place the form prominently. Position the sign-up form in a highly visible location on your website, such as in the header, sidebar, or as a pop-up. Offer an incentive. Encourage sign-ups by offering a valuable incentive, such as a discount, a free ebook, or exclusive access, or a newsletter with useful content. Create a compelling call to action. Craft a persuasive call to action button that clearly communicates the benefit of signing up, such as get started, join now, or unlock exclusive content. Keep it simple. Request only essential information, typically just a name and email address. The shorter the form, the more likely people are to complete it. Use social proof. Showcase testimonials, trust badges, or the number of subscribers to build credibility and trust with potential new subscribers. Highlight privacy and compliance. Assure visitors that their information will be kept private and that your email practices comply with relevant data protection regulations such as GDPR. Mobile optimization. Ensure that your sign-up form is mobile friendly, as a growing number of users access websites on mobile devices first or instead of desktop. A/B testing. Continuously test different form designs, CTA text and placement to identify what works best for your target audience. An engaging headline. Use captivating headlines and highlight the reasons for subscribing. For example, stay informed with our exclusive updates. Visual appeal. Make the form visually appealing with the use of colors, fonts, and images that match your brand and the image that you want to portray. Progressive profiling. Instead of asking for all of the information up front, consider progressive profiling to gather more data gradually over time from your opt-ins. Show examples. Give visitors a taste of what they'll receive by showing examples of past newsletters or content. Social media integration. Allow users to sign up using their social media accounts for a quicker and more convenient process. Timing. Use exit intent pop-ups to capture visitors who are about to leave your site. Timing is crucial in converting hesitant users. Regularly promote the form. Feature your email sign-up form in your email signature, social media profiles, and other marketing materials to increase its visibility. Clear and simple language. Use clear and simple language to explain what subscribers can expect and the benefits of signing up. Follow up quickly. Send a welcome email immediately after sign up to confirm that the subscription has taken place and set the expectations for future communications. Offer multiple sign up points. Provide multiple opportunities for visitors to subscribe throughout your website, such as within blog posts or product pages. Run contests or giveaways. Host occasional contests or giveaways and promote them through your email sign-up form. Monitor and analyze all data. Regularly review sign-up form data and analyze metrics to identify areas for improvement. By implementing these tips, you can create a more effective email sign-up form and increase the chances of attracting and retaining subscribers. Remember that optimizing your form is an ongoing process, and it's essential to adapt your approach based on user feedback and changing based on visitor behavior. Okay, thanks very much for watching today, and I hope you've got something useful from this video. If you liked it, please don't hesitate to like or subscribe down below, and feel free to watch more videos from our channel. Thanks very much.